Hey guys, welcome back to day 4 of Stitchmas. And it is actually snowing here in Iowa. I'm so excited. This will be my 5th Christmas and it may actually be a white Christmas. But enough about that. Let's find out what we're getting in our Stitchmas box. I'm so excited. So we've got day 1, 2, and 3 over here. Now we're looking for, oh, that was easier than I thought. Day 4 right here. Oh, I think I know it. This is a little heavy. I think I have an idea of what this is. I think this might be maybe an ornament. I don't know. All right, let's open it up and find out. Oh, that's cute. It's a little Hobby Lobby cart. That is cute. Oh, like Hobby Lobby 22 for 2022. That is cute. It's full of yarn. I really like that. I can't wait to put that on my tree this year. And it's got the same color scheme as the box. I'm just so impressed. I love it. Ah, we will definitely be putting this on our tree this year. I love that idea. Now let's head over and talk about what we're adding to our yarn bag. Okay, well, as I went to put the bag over with my other bags over here, I realized there's actually more stuff in here. There is some decorative tape. Let me make sure you can see that well. Some decorative tape that's got little yarn balls on it. And a little decorative tape that has little trucks and little yarn balls. I love that. Ooh, I mean, I could see this being used for like scrapbooking or maybe like Christmas presents. But cute little decorative tape? That's cute. I like that idea. Very smart, Hobby Lobby. Today we're adding my favorite thing to our yarn bag. This. I found this at Hobby Lobby. I think they're like $1.99. I have a bunch of them. This is a yarn guide. It just pops open. It's just, just plastic, but it's nice and soft. And even though I've got, pretty big hands, it fits me well. And if you've got smaller hands, it's going to fit you well too, because it's adjustable. And it conforms right to my finger. I don't know if it's like body heat, maybe softens and makes it form to your finger. That's what it feels like to me. And you just run your yarn in here. Instead of having your yarn run directly across your finger and digging in, you get that indent or you get like a little yarn burn. This will protect your finger. And you can do multiple strands at once. I love this. This is definitely one of my go-tos. I've been known to like forget I'm wearing it just because I'm constantly wearing it when I'm crocheting and be walking around the grocery store and it's just on my finger. It's one of my favorite things, and if you're looking for something so you don't get that dent in your finger and you don't get that yarn burn, I recommend this because $1.99 is way worth it. I have multiple. I have them in all my project bags. I always have a brand new one in my closet on backup just in case. I mean, it's easy just to pop on and off. And you can easily open and close it with your middle finger. This is what we're going to add today, and it's a must in my house. So that's going to be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you tune in tomorrow. And if you haven't had a chance to see the previous days, I do have a playlist on my page, so you can watch all of them from day 1 all the way through. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to see more content from me, make sure you subscribe, like this video. Comment down below, what is your favorite notion that you have to have when you're crocheting? Until tomorrow, take care.